All right, family. So now that I'm looking at a lizard, yo. Now that the rain have stopped, I was sitting out here earlier with my Baker Creek catalog, and I was looking at some of the vegetables in which I want to grow, this fall. These two vegetables here is two of the cabbages that I will be dropping this fall. Yeah, along with this one here. Yeah, you all know my history with the calabus, but I got my seeds and we'll see what she does. I also shared my seeds with my nephew Chris over there at Back to Our Roots Homestead because we are gonna grow them together, right? So this one and this one. So I may have about 3 of this one and 3 of these. It's a calabus. Yeah, I'm gonna get that calabus, y'all. I'm gonna get her. But there is another vegetable here that I want to grow. This one, I'm growing this one. I grew her last year and they were great. My little sister came over and she got her some. But this one here, this one, the Chinese cabbage, this one, I grew it maybe 2 seasons ago. And family, one thing I could tell you about this vegetable, it is amazing. It is not only beautiful to grow, it's a wonderful tasting cabbage. Now, seriously, I wouldn't call it a cabbage. I wouldn't. But it is delicious. And that is what it is, a golden beauty Chinese cabbage. It is so beautiful when you walk out in your garden in the mornings and see this thing growing. It's beautiful. Yeah. So that is just some of the vegetables that I will be growing in my garden this fall. Yeah. Good evening, family. This is Linda, and I'm out here in my garden. It's been raining. As you can see, it's been raining out here. But I have committed this little raised bed. Thank you to Growing Out the Box. This is another one of my raised beds that he gifted me. But I'm growing this, I'm gifting this bed to a lot of vegetables and flowers that just reseeded themselves. I didn't plant them. They just reseeded themselves here. So this is some of the flowers and herbs that just reseeded themselves in this bed. So one is, of course, the zinnias. Yeah, they're here, baby. Also, we have 3 plants of turmeric. Yep, they are here. So I'm gonna let them stay. And I have the beautiful Miss Butterfly Peas. See, can I get a picture of one of them? Get you to see. Ah, there she is. It's the Butterfly Peas. And that's the whole thing, is that, you know, if you don't know what's in this bed, you know, what is growing in this bed or what you dropped in this bed, she will surely tell you who she is. It's the butterfly pea flowers. And here, even though there's no name on this plant, I know exactly what it is. Yeah, this is the Georgia roaster squash. I have about 4 plants in there. I may take 3 of them up because I only need 1, right? But that is what's in this bed so far. And this looks like it's going through some process, but it looks like a watermelon. So I'm gonna put some fencing around it, and I'm going to just let them grow. I'm going to just let them grow and see what they do. And they can have this bed, and I'll take the other ones for all of my brassicas. Yeah. I hope you all been having a wonderful day. What today is? Today is Wednesday. And as I said, the rain just stopped and the sun is out. It's all good. But today I wanted to share with you all, I wanted to just give you a list of some insects that you will find in your fall garden. All right? Yeah. Now, these insects that I'm going to share with you today is the bad insects. Insects that we should really be paying attention to, right? So, of course, the first insect that you will find in your fall garden is aphids. So, listen, if you see ants, ants and aphids have a beautiful relationship, right? Ants and aphids, they have that relationship. So, the ants are the protector of the aphids. No, they do not eat aphids. No, they don't eat them. What they do like, they like their droppings. It's called honeydew. So the ants love the droppings of the aphids. So what the ants does, they will protect the aphids. They protect the aphids. And this is why you will see aphids and ants. That's that relationship. They love each other. But no, we don't want the aphids. So you get rid of the aphids, you get rid of the ants. All right? Cabbage loopers. So cabbage loopers are the babies of the white butterfly. Yeah, they are the babies. Before they are the loopers, they are an egg, right? So if you see the white butterfly, you're already too late, baby. She have already laid her eggs. So wherever you seen her, go around all of your brassicas and check your brassicas for eggs, right? Remember, if you have loopers, baby, you're late. And the eggs was there at least 2 to 3 days already. All right? White butterflies, yeah, she's already laid her eggs. Go check your vegetables. Flea beetles. That's another one we will find in our fall garden. Flea beetles. Beware of them. The Colorado potato beetle. Yeah. Now, I'm going to put some pictures of these insects just to help you to know, be able to identify the Colorado potato beetle. Yeah, she's treacherous, right? The harlequin beetle. Ooh. Oh, family. If you got her, you're really late, and you're going to have to go through some drastic measures in getting rid of her, okay? Yeah, I'm just saying, it's going to be a fight. It's going to be a fight. What I did, harlequin beetles on my kohlrabies once. I lost all my leaves on my kohlrabi. So what I did, I pulled her up and I just got my kohlrabi, but I lost all my leaves. But that's okay. I still had a win, right? Yeah. The Japanese beetles. Yes, we will find them in our fall garden. Okay? Beware. Every season, we have our pros and cons. Every season. The fall garden is it's a beautiful time to garden. But it have its pros and cons just as the spring and summer garden does. Okay? Spider mites. Yes, beware of the spider mites, because they are here in the fall. They're here. They are here. Cutworms. Cutworms, family. Cutworms are here. Beware. So, cutworms, there is your cutworm. And he will devour your plants. And I mean devour them. Cutworms. Yeah. Mealybugs. You will have mealybugs. Beware of them, right? And if you plan to spray, no matter if it's winter, spring, summer, or fall, if you plan to spray your garden with some kind of oils, please remember, spray in the evenings. Y'all, I'm looking at something I did not see, but I got to get it. I got to get it. But I'm going to share it with you so you can see what I'm looking at. Look at this. This is my turmeric, but look at that. Y'all see that? It's a slug, snail, but I'm going to get it. Give me 1 minute. I need both of my hands. There he is. There he is. Y'all say goodnight to him, y'all. Say goodnight. I think he loved the flavor of turmeric, y'all. I think he do. Yeah. So this is just some of the insects, the bad insects that we will find in our fall garden. Oh yeah, we will find them. So beware, be vigilant, right? Yeah. And all of us is going to have an amazing fall garden. All right, family. Let's go. Really? Ah. All right, let's go see. Yeah, I need my machete. Oh. All right. All right, let's go. Let's go see. Can we find this? It's a cantaloupe that I saw a couple days ago. It is very hard to see because of all of the foliage in here. But I see it, y'all, and guess what? Yeah, they done ate it. Something ate it. Look at that. Big old hole in it. It's a cantaloupe. See it? It's right there. Yup. They ate it, Ben. Probably a damn possum, bro. Probably was a possum. Yeah, he enjoyed it. What tree? Right here? I don't see nothing over here. I don't see nothing over here, Ben. Nope. That cantaloupe is ripe, man. It's look like it's so darn sweet. And they just tore it up. Low life, this. But I ain't gonna be too mad at them because I should have came and got my food. Yeah. Oh shit, I stepped on a watermelon. I felt it. I felt it. Where is it? It's right here. Oh yeah, right there. I broke it though. Right there. Oh wow. These are the 2 melons that we harvested a few minutes ago. Ben and I. Yep. And I want to try one of my pomegranates because they look like they're ready. So Ben, would you get that one right there? Yeah, right. Look, come over here by me. And yeah. Now they are. Watch this. They have thorns on the stem, so be careful with it. I would turn it because it's gonna be hard. She's strong. She's strong. Yeah, she's strong. She ain't, she ain't no little weakling.
Big one on right here.
Huh?
Got a big one right here.
No, well, don't get that one. Just get that one right there. And if you can't get it, I'll get the scissors. You didn't get it, huh? Let me get the scissors, man. Oh, okay. Man. This is one of my pomegranates. I can tell she's not totally right, but we're gonna pop her open when we get in the house. Yeah. So this is just a little update on my plantains. Yeah, they are doing amazing, and there is so many fruits, so many racks on these plantains. I am just excited, and many of my neighbors are excited also. But there's no doubt, baby, I will be sharing many of these racks. Today, there is 12. Yeah, there's 12 racks. Yep. And this is my coffee plant. It's called an Arabica coffee plant, and it's doing well. It's back under the plantain tree, and she is doing amazing. I'm looking, y'all. I'm looking for the flowers, but I think I'm on to something great. Yeah, we will be seeing them soon, very soon. This is the Arabica coffee plant, and she's doing well. Healthy little tree she is. Yeah. Now, this is my soursop. And I am so excited about this little tree. And as you can see, she's just putting on more and more leaves. Yeah. But anyway, family, I just wanted to stop by and share just what's going on in my garden today. Yeah. I hope you all are having a wonderful evening. Yeah. And I'll see you all somewhere around here on YouTube. Yeah.